Audio Jungle.
Hello, my name is Kusmiran Barends from Teknik Elektromedik, POLTEKKES, KEMENKES, Surabaya. So today I will show you how do I use multimeter.
Audio Jungle.
So this tutorial will show you how to use a digital multimeter. So what is multimeter? So multimeter is an indispensable tool that you can use to diagnose circuit, learn about other people's electronic design, and even test a battery. So the most basic thing we measure are voltage and current. A multimeter is also great for some basic sanity checks and troubleshooting. So is your circuit not working? Does the switch work? Put a meter on it. So the multimeter is your first defense when you have to troubleshooting a system. So in this tutorial, we will cover measuring voltage, current, and resistance.
Audio Jungle.
Volt, ohms. What does it all mean? First, volts.
Audio Jungle.
This is the pressure in an electrical circuit. Second is amps. This is a measure of the current flowing in an electrical circuit. Then ohm, a measure of the resistance to flow in a circuit. So voltage source. This is produce a current flows in a circuit. It could be a battery, portable generator, main supply to a home, alternator on your car, or bench power supply in a lab workshop. Load, a device or a company which draws power from a voltage source. This could be an electronic resistor, bulb, electric heater, motor, or any electrical appliance. Ground. This is usually the point in a circuit to which the negative terminal of a battery or power supply is connected. DC, direct current. Current flows only one way from a DC source, an example of which is a battery. AC, alternating current. Current flows one way from a source, reverse, and then flows the other way. This has happened many times a second at a rate determined by the frequency, which is typically 50 to 60 Hz. The main supply in a home is AC.
Audio Jungle.
Measuring function on digital multimeter. So a basic multimeter facilitates the measurement of the following quantities is have a DC voltage,
Audio Jungle.
like here, and then DC current, like here, and then AC voltage. This AC voltage and this is AC voltage, and then have resistances here.
Audio Jungle.
And then continuity, but here and here.
Audio Jungle.
So some basic method don't have on AC current like here, but
Audio
on this digital multimeter is have it.
Jungle.
So in addition method may have the following function is like capacitance measurement, transistor HFE or DC current gain, so AC current with an additional probe.
Audio Jungle.
So how to measure voltage? First, we have to plug the playground probe leads into the COM socket on the meter. And then the second, we have to plug the red positive probe lead into the socket marker V, usually also marked with Greek letter or omega, and possibility a tilde symbol like here. If the meter has a manual range setting, turn this to select a DC or AC voltage and pick range to give required accuracy right here. So I choose 20 DC voltage. Turn on the digital multimeter.
Audio Jungle.
We have to connect in parallel in the circuit in order to measure voltage.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So as you can see,
Audio Jungle.
the digital multimeter is show the voltage. How to measure current? First, we have to turn off the power in the circuit being measured, like here. And then, a multimeter must be inserted in series with the load in a circuit in order to measure current. And here is the DC current.
Audio
So,
Jungle.
we have to plug the playground probe into the COM socket. And then we have to plug
Audio Jungle.
the red positive probe lead into MA socket or the high current socket, which is usually marked 10A. But like here have a 20A
Audio Jungle.
socket instead of
Audio
10A.
Jungle.
So 10A socket is often marked with the maximum
Audio Jungle.
current, and if you estimate that the current will be greater than this value,
Audio Jungle.
you must use the CAN socket, otherwise you will end up blowing a
Audio Jungle.
in the meter.
Audio Jungle.
We have to connect the meter in the circuit, like here the red probe and here the black probe. Then we have to turn on the digital multimeter,
Audio Jungle.
and then we turn the dial on the meter to the highest current range, which is 200 million here. And then we have to turn on the power of the circuit.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
And then read the display. If the range is too high, you can switch to the lower range to get more accurate reading. So how to measure resistance?
Audio Jungle.
First, the probes are connected to the meter in the same way as measuring voltage. And then we have to turn the dial to the lowest ohm range. The lowest is, which is the lowest range is 200.
Audio
Then we have to turn off the circuit, and then you have to place the probe at each end of resistance being measured, like here. If the display indicated I, this means the resistance is greater than can be displayed on the range setting we have selected. So we must turn the dial to the next highest range. Repeat this until a value is displayed on the LCD like here.
Audio Jungle.